Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about a super simple kitchen upgrade, the stove shelf. So guys, I think we all know what it's like to have a kitchen top that has those condiments on there that you use frequently. You don't want to put them in a cupboard because you need to get them out daily. So stove shelf comes in clutch for this. It is super easy to install and then it just clears everything up really nicely. Let's check it out. So this is where stove shelf comes in. It is a beautiful stainless steel shelf to put on top of your stove. Easy to install. It comes just with magnets on the bottom, and then you can go ahead and just pop it right on top of the stove like this. And there you have it. It is installed. They have varying lengths for different stoves and also different colors as well. And then you can just go ahead and place all your condiments that you use daily up out of the way while still keeping your stove looking fabulous and everything neat and tidy. So I love it. I think it's a great investment. It looks fantastic as well. Guys, I love my stove shelf. The extra space is given is a plus, and it looks really great, but that's just my point of view.